Want to practice yoga at home, effortlessly? Here are some tips to help you get started. Tip 1. Create a comfortable spot for your yoga practice. Tip 2. Get your yoga accessories. Tip 3. Stay safe, prevent injury. Tip 4. Choose your yoga style. Tip 5. Always relax. Tip 6. Practice yoga regularly. Breath in. Breath out. 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 Thanks for watching the video.